Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to be making a special Valentine's Day treat. These are going to be refined sugar-free dark chocolate sandwich cookies with a white chocolate ganache filling. So if you're looking for a delicious refined sugar-free Valentine's Day treat, this is the recipe for you. Alright, I'm just going to show you the difference in the sugar. This is the original coconut sugar. You can see there that the granules are pretty large. Now this is the powdered coconut sugar. There's definitely a huge difference between those two.
our eyes met, you saw me, and forevermore I like to share that vintage dream.
Alright, well as you can see, these are our finished cookies. I think next time I'm going to play around with making the dough a little bit thinner, just to make a more delicate cookie. But the ganache turned out so nice in the middle, and you could even play around with the ganache, add peanut butter to it. You could just do the ganache around the outer portion of the inside and fill it in the middle with some strawberry jam. That would be really good too. But I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and we'll see you next time.